January 24. We were going for a drive, and my father said, "We won't be gone long. You come too." And so I went, and we drove and drove until we stopped at a red brick building with a sign in blue letters, Animal Protection Shelter. And inside we walked down a long cement path, past cages, with all kinds of dogs, big and small, fat and skinny, some of them hiding in the corner, but most of them barking, and jumping up against the wire cage. As we walked past, as if they were saying, me, choose me, I'm the best one." And that's where we saw the yellow dog, standing against the cage, with his paws curled around the wire, and his long red tongue hanging out, and his big black eyes looking a little sad, and his long tail wagging, as if he were saying, me, choose me. And we did. We chose him. And in the car, he put his head against my chest and wrapped his paws around my arm, as if he were saying, thank you. And the other dogs in the cage get killed dead if nobody chooses them.